how to apply for Section 8 housing in New York. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for Section 8 housing in New York. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Section 8 housing is meant for low-income individuals and families. Review the income limits for your household size in New York to ensure eligibility as well as any residency and citizenship requirements. Search for your county's FAR or use the New York City Housing Authority NYCHA if you're in NIC to handle your Section 8 application. Due to high demand, some FARs may have limited application windows or long wait lists. Check online to see if applications are currently being accepted and any instructions on how to apply. Prepare documentation such as proof of income, identification for all household members, social security numbers, and any additional documents required by the FAR. Go to the FAR or NYCHA website and fill out the Section 8 application form. Be sure to provide all requested information accurately as incomplete applications may be delayed. Submit your application and any required documents to the online portal by mail or in person, depending on the FOSS specific guidelines. Due to the high demand for Section 8 housing in New York, expect a wait. Once accepted, you'll be placed on a wait list and you'll be notified when a voucher becomes available. Regularly check your application status and keep your contact information up to date with the FAR to ensure you don't miss any updates. Once you have your voucher, start looking for housing that accepts Section 8 in New York. That's all for the video.